Hello students. So I have objectives for you. Many students have problem while solving objective in their board exam. Okay. So I got objective questions for you guys. So let's start. The first question you see the sum of two rational numbers is always rational. They are saying rational, right? And for example, let's take two numbers. 1 plus 1 we have 2. Yes, they said sum. Okay. 2 plus 2 by let's take 3. Okay, so what we'll have 3 twice we have 6 plus 2 8 by 3 or 8 upon 3. So definitely whatever the rational number you take, when you add them it will give you always rational, true. Now you come for the next question. The product of two rational numbers is always rational. Yes, definitely. Let's take 0 times 1 is 0. And you take 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 is also 1 by 4. This is rational. So your answer is true. So it is always true when you are taking two rational numbers. If you are adding, multiplying, okay. Let's go for next question. You see, the product of two irrational numbers is always irrational number. They said product, right? You see, they said product and both are irrational numbers and always they are same. Just observe carefully. If you take root 3 twice, root 3 into root 2 will give you root 6. So yes, you see rational, but wait. You see, what if I take two same numbers? Wow. Root 3 will give you 3. Is it irrational? No, it is rational. So if they are saying always, sorry guys, it is false because they said it is always. So always product of irrational number is not irrational number. Yes, it is sometimes irrational. For if you see, for example, got it? So when you are in exam, focus on the words. Now, the sum of rational and irrational number is irrational. Yes, just see. Here they are taking sum of rational and irrational, right? Rational and irrational. So you take your rational. First we will take your rational. 0 plus what we have root 3. We have definitely root 3. 2 plus root 2 is what? Irrational only. So it is true. Got it? Good. Let's go for next question. The product of rational and irrational number is irrational. See here, they are not mentioning always. So we define this question as conditional. But at present, here they are not mentioning always. So what we see, product of rational and irrational number is irrational. Yes, it is true. We take root 3 into root 2, we have root 6. But you see 0 into root 3 is what? 0, but this is rational. But is it mentioned always? No, right? So this question is actually true as per the statement. But remember, if it is mentioned always, then this question will become false. Pi is an irrational number. What they're asking, man? True. Now 22 upon 7 is irrational number. Just think and give me answer in the comment. I think you got it. Observe carefully what I'm showing. Dear students, pi is an irrational number. But you see, 22 by 7 is a number and it is a rational number, right? See, pi is represented as 22 by 7 for approximate value but solving questions. But it doesn't mean 22 by 7 is not, you cannot say 22 by 7 as a pi. But yes, pi value is 22 by 7 approximately. So you got my point. So here 22 by 7 is a rational number. So it is false. Let's go for next. The HCF of 15 and 51 is not 1. See, observe the question. They said not 1. Okay, let's check out. HCF means highest common factor, right? You see 15 and 51. 1 plus 5, we have 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 and 5 plus 1 is also is equal to 6. It shows that these two numbers are product of 3 definitely. So yes, the HCF is not 1. That is true because HCF will be definitely 3. Got it? Now this question number 9 as verbal language. First understand that. In 1 by 2 power m and 5 power n, where mn belongs to natural number. This symbol many of the students may for new belongs to means whatever the m value and n value you take, they all are natural numbers. What are natural numbers? They are starting from 1. So your m value will be 1, 2, 3 and go on. For n also we have 1, 2 and it's go on. Okay, so here they said m is greater than n. It means whatever you take power, if we take 5, definitely your power means n will be always less than m. So you can take from 1 to 4. Okay, good it? Yeah. Now the answer is given digit as m number decimal. Yes, obviously. See, in any fraction, if you see 2 power and 5 power in denominator, the largest power we will give you means decimals. For example, what I mean, if you see this one 20, 1 by 20 shows 1 by 2 times 2 times 5. It shows 1 by 2 times power 2 and 5 times power 1, right? Now you think properly what I'm showing you. Okay, just give me a second. Now you see, for example, I take 1 by 20. This shows 1 over 2 times 2 times 5 is equals to 1 by 2 times 2 times 1. You see here 2 for power 2, 2 is greater, and what this shows actually, if I just multiply one of the 5 again, I will get this as 5 over 2 times 2 and 2 times power 2 and 5 times power 2. This shows 2 power 2 and 5 power 2. What we have? 5 over 100. And this value is 0.05. You see, after decimal we have 2 digits, right? So what it means, if for example, if we have n is, for example, if n is greater than m, here your answer will be n. So for here m is greater than n, right? So your answer is true. I think you got it. Now for the today's last question. Root 2 minus root 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Now give me answer. Okay. Now just see what they gave you. Just interchange, my dear students. What? Using commutative property, you can write root 2 plus root 3, right? A minus b, a plus b. You see identity? A square minus b square. So root 2 square minus root 3 square. What we have? 2 minus 3 and minus 1 is an rational number. So your answer is false. For today, we have these questions, and definitely I'm going to upload some more questions. Till then, see you. Bye.